Here are my yellow stripes. Now, I did stop. I happened to end up with a yellow stripe, which you can't see now because of the window. I don't think you can see it, but right at the edge of the window. And we couldn't figure a way that I could get on top of the dryer. There it is. To do stripes on that other part of the ball. So, it does end at the window. Honey has molding all set to put back up around this window. But I like it. Now this is what happened when I put the tape on too soon. So I'm just going to touch up that little piece of white. There we go. All gone, unless you look closely. And we've got a towel rack up. I don't want to push this over too far. I don't want to brush it against the white. But since there are 3 of us in the household now, I got the three arm rack. That can actually go against the wall at some point. But pretty cool. Honey can put the molding back up around. He's got a little rail that goes along the top. And he did a great job. And then molding around the window. And then I can put up my tea light hanger. Pretty awesome. Yay!